the way you guys go these days, very soon now, nationally, everybody will be angry with you people. How can you see a girl, she wake up in the morning, if she want to go out, she will make up, she will go, then when she come back in the evening, after washing her face, you see different person entirely. Why is it like that? And that will make you not to know the one that is beautiful and the one that is not beautiful.
And what concerns you with women matters, huh?
Women's matter. In fact, you are guilty of the topic that I'm telling you now. See the sketchings, see the drawing, see the painting. Are you not one of them confusing the men? You will see somebody will wake up and after everything, if you want to sleep, you wash off everything, confusing us.
Genius, please, don't start this morning. I don't have the strength to laugh, please.
And who says that I'm trying to make you laugh? Is this a laughing matter? Is this a joke? Is this your real eye? Is this your real color? When your mother gave birth to you, is this how you are? This is pure deception. You people are confusing us. Yes.
Hi,
you are.
Hi. Is Marion in?
Yes.
Okay, great. I'll just go right in. Hello.
Genius, what are you looking at?
Come, see, let me warn you for the last time. You have to learn how to call this name. Hygienus Alaboso. UNN, History and International Studies, first class. I am not your mate. Forget what I'm passing through. I am not your mate. Certificate otherwise, you are not my level. Why will you call my name like that? Meanwhile, stop. I'm very sorry for shouting at you. That girl is a very beautiful girl. In fact, if you go on natural without this your rubbish makeup, you'll be like this girl.
You're such a womanizer.
Yes. Any man can be a womanizer because of this. Very natural, very beautiful. In fact, you can change my name from Hygienus Alaboso to Hygienus Alaboso, History and International Relations. First class, UNN. Lion, and then put womanizer.
I see. No wonder you're staring at her like that.
Yes, if I do. If I do. Back to what we were discussing. Listen to me. This issue of sketching and painting your faces, applying all these makeups will not help you. Rather, it will be affecting your health, affecting your brain, because your brain will be trying to articulate, trying to put the whole things together. The whole thing will be confused. Help yourself. Allow makeup to help. In fact, allow makeup to drop so that you help your life. See your magazine.
Give me gist. It's like a people. So tell me, what kind of gist do you want to hear?